What's up, guys? It's ChidikeGamerWhat. We're going to be learning how to get Roblox on a chromebook. To make this as quick as I can, just go here. It doesn't matter where you go, but just get to your settings. Wait for it to load. My computer's a little slow because I'm trying to edit as many videos as I can. Because as you can see, I accidentally deleted all of my videos on my channel while trying to delete one. So I'm trying to get everything up. Okay, cool. Go to About Chrome OS. Check for updates. If your Chromebook is up to date, it should be good. Okay, it says it's up to date right there. Make sure your Chromebook at least looks like this, or just make sure your Chromebook has the Play Store. Open that up. Okay, it's gonna take a while to open up because I haven't opened it in a while. Please like this video and subscribe because I really worked hard to get this video back. Roblox. Give me a second. Roblox. Just search. I think it needs to be all capital for it to show up. And if it doesn't show up like this, okay, so to get the Roblox to show up, you can either search it like this and it should show up, or you can do that. Just look at my mouse, it shows it right there, and click it and install it. But if it doesn't show it, go on Google, search Roblox. Not .com, just Roblox. 3, 2, 1. Then, if you have a Windows, you should be able to get it. But I know this is about Chromebook. I don't know why I just said that. Press Roblox 100 apps on Google Play. And all you have to do is install it from there. Then we'll show you a game opening. Then we'll play this game. It might crash because my Chromebook is not used to playing Roblox because it wasn't made for that. Okay, it should be getting any second. Yes. Yo, it's joining over. Restaurant Tycoon, you can see it's actually working. And I'm also going to show you this. So this is not, it's like, look, this is Chromebook and it's legit loading. That's awesome. I can't hear the audio right now because I didn't set my recorder to do audio, but you should just see the Roblox there. Give it some time to load. Everything's going to start loading because there's a lot of stuff to load. There's so much to load that. Okay, just give it a second. Usually in Restaurant Tycoon, since the cutscene is going through everything, it's easier to make it to load. Okay? Wait for the ashes to load. And please don't stop the video here or it won't work. Let me just load what I have. Okay, and if you can't move, then here's the problem. Go to press X like in regular Roblox settings. Move the movement to click to move, but that doesn't mean you need to click to move. Just click here, and you can move around and just click that, and you can actually move around with the arrows and WASD. Thank you for watching, and that should be able to stop most of your guys' problems.